How to install Microsoft Excel on your Android device. Hello everyone, I'm going to guide you how you can install the Microsoft Excel on your mobile device. So if you want to install the Microsoft Excel on your mobile device, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. And here you have to navigate to your search bar and search for the Microsoft Excel here. Once you have searched for the Microsoft Excel, you have to download the Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet in your device. Just tap on the install option and wait for the installation has been successfully completed up to 100% here. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed your Microsoft Excel on your device, just go and tap on the open option. And here you can see that the Microsoft Excel has been successfully opened on your device and the Excel has configuring the files. You can see that here. Wait until the configuring has been successfully completed. So after that, you will be successfully logging to your Microsoft Excel. So if you have already an account, you have to just go and sign in off. So you can also sign off for free. So this way you can easily install the Microsoft Excel on your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.